So right now we're trying to set up our mini distilling machine so that we could fill it up with water. So we already have some water in there, but we need to fill it up. So we're filling it up to the required amount of water. And then cover it to set up the whole machine to start with distillation. So we cover the container and seal it before we start with the distillation. Make sure there's no leakage. So it's got this, the gasket. So that's it. Everything is set up. We're gonna wait for it to emit the smoke into this container, and then later on it'll be transported here in this big cooling. This is our cooling system. We improvised a bigger one for the cooling. Once the smoke gets cooled, the pure water will be coming out from this tube and be brought up here in this tiny little container. So I'll show you later when it starts to drop. So as you can see here, our distilling machine, mini distilling machine, is still working. So let me just give you a little bit of tour. So we have our first drops, first few drops. After like about 20 minutes, we will discard this portion and replace the container for a new one. Then we'll wait for a few hours to get our pure water from our herbs. And our really big, massive cooling system. And this is a secret for you to be able to get a really good distillation at a really short time. It's for you to have a really massive cooling system. So and then here, after like about 30 minutes, we were able to get pure water, clear pure water from the herbs. A while ago I discarded the first drops, like about a cup of it, because those were the from previous distillation that we made, and you don't want to use that one because it's pretty it's got a lot of suspensions from the herbs. Yeah, so that's how easy it is. You just need to be able to have your own machine to do this. But basically, with the amount of herbs that I use here, is just for sampling. You will of course use massive amount for you to be able to get real good quality distilled water from the plant material.